I was also in your shoes, scrolling endlessly on my phone and procrastinating everything. I hear you. If I did it, anyone can do it. I'm no different from y'all, Dreamliners. Okay, so if you're seeing this video, take it as a sign of starting to reset your dopamine levels, because it did wonders for me. Like, oh my god! I'm so excited. I'm so passionate about this topic because it has literally changed my whole freaking life! Okay, so stay here with me because I'm actually going to tell you my personal story so you can get so inspired and say,
oh my god, I need to do it ASAP.
ASAP! So, around like 1 month ago, 2 months ago, I don't know, when school started on September, I was like,
okay, so I have to post 2 videos per week when I'm going to school, and I don't know how I'm going to do this, so I think that I should cut off all the distractions. So let's start with eliminating all the video games on my devices, iPad, and then cut off movies.
Don't feel like,
oh my god, like how did she manage to resist and like handle this for 1 month?
no, I didn't cut them off immediately. I was like playing 4 to 6 battles of Mobile Legends per day, and then gradually I cut them to 5 and then 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly but surely, I eliminated the game itself. I was also watching less and less movies until now. Literally, it's been like, I guess, 1 whole month of not watching movies and not playing video games. And then the huge drop of dopamine happened when I dropped out of high school to pursue content creation full time. If you want a more detailed version of it, I will link a video here and in the description. And I said,
okay, so maybe I should instant download Mobile Legends again.
Then I said,
no, I need to release.
now I need to post 3 videos per week. I need to take this so freaking seriously. And I need to be creative and get inspired constantly to make videos, because I don't want to force myself to make 3 videos per week because I will be dead. And how can you get inspired and creative more easily? With lower levels of dopamine, with getting bored. Every single day, especially in the afternoon, I dedicate like intentionally around 30 minutes or even more of extreme boredom, which is sitting with myself or meditating, sit in my bed and then look at the window. I'm not even kidding. It's so normal for me. The problem that I see a lot of people fear about, and you know, I hear you because I was also like this. I was like,
oh my god, it's gonna be so impossible.
but like, if you start small and slowly, gradually cut off all those dopamine freaking stimulating, what is he doing?
He's beginning to believe
monsters on your device and start intentionally sit with yourself, let yourself get freaking bored, your brain is going to normalize it. It's so normal for me right now. Like the hell? I've been avoiding all these dopamine stimulation monsters for 1 month. It's expected. And now, literally, I get inspired twice a day. And I'm like exploding because I cannot film twice a day. Because I also need to edit them. And I take like 3 hours to finish to edit a 30 minute.
You didn't have to cut me off.
I'm like,
Okay, brain, take it more slowly.
and I feel so creative. Also because now that I dropped out of high school, I'm noticing that since I'm 63% extroverted, I need to express myself, to connect with someone, to express my thoughts. So that's why like I get even more inspired to grab the camera and then like record. This like personal experiment that I did, it really shows that we are not hopeless. In this generation, you still can reset your dopamine level and like return to your normal state. The state that I am at right now, it's considered normal, the baseline. It's not normal, guys, to be constantly stimulated, playing video games day in, day out, And then don't complain about the fact that you cannot get anything done and that you're procrastinating. And then you say,
It's my perfectionism.
yeah, maybe it is. But then if you don't have all those distractions, you would get those things done faster and earlier because you're so bored that your brain craves to do something. So like, please, one action you can implement, take out from this video is to try like sit in silence, in boredom, without doing anything for even 3 minutes, and then 5 minutes, 10 minutes, gradually. Anything needs to be gradual. I don't think that I would have survived a day if I cut all those dopamine things in my devices all at once. And I'm not even lying, sometimes, even yesterday, I craved to play video games, but then I remind myself,
Okay, I mean, no, don't do it. You came so far. It's been 20-30 days that you haven't been stimulated by video games and all this stuff.
don't return back. Feel free to like and subscribe and share this video to maybe your friends, peers, I don't know, someone who really needs to get a dopamine reset. Make sure to follow me in other socials and join my newsletter where I share extra self-development tips. All the links are down in the description. Remember, you need to do this for yourself, for your future, for your health, for your mental health, and anything, because you can literally solve, I think, 99% of your problems by resetting your dopamine levels. And yeah, drop a blue heart if you're still here. It means that you are a real dream aligner. I made another video when I dive deeper in how using ChatGPT is slowly killing your brain and how to stop letting AI think for you. I'm posting every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and see you the next one, dream aligner.